Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. If you have ever watched a reel and forgot to save it, now you're scrolling like crazy trying to find it again. Here's how to check what you have watched on Instagram, even if there's no direct watch history button. First step is to check your activity. For that, open your Instagram, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, three lines at the top right, scroll down and find this option called Your Activity and tap on it. Now on the interaction section, choose likes. And here you will see the reels or posts you have liked. This helps if you tap the heart button. Second step can be to download your watch history. For that, on desktop or mobile browser, let me go with my browser. Navigate to your search engine and go to instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now go to your profile. Tap on the settings icon at the top left. Again, go to your activity. And from here, tap download your information, request your data. Once it arrives via email, open the folder and find videos_watched.html. And boom, all the videos you have watched, you can find it there. And if you want to avoid this hassle, just hit the bookmark icon here or simply like the reel. It gets saved onto your profile for later. So no, there's no magic watch history button, but with a little digging, Instagram has got receipts. Let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.